Starting at a new school can be a bit daunting experience for anyone, especially for a young child. I would like to talk about my first day at a new school that I remember well. I was around 8 years old when I first started attending a new school, after relocating to a different city called Alberta with my family. I studied till grade 3 in my previous school. This new school was located in a quiet suburban area and had a beautiful green campus. On the first day, I remember waking up early and feeling a bit nervous. I had always attended my previous school up until then, and I was worried about making new friends and fitting in this new school. As I arrived at the school, I saw a group of students who were already chatting and laughing with each other. They seemed to have known each other for a while, which made me feel a little more nervous. As I walked towards the classroom, I noticed that the other students were staring at me. I felt self-conscious and a little uncomfortable. However, when I entered the classroom, I was warmly welcomed by the teacher, who introduced me to the rest of the class. The students were friendly and made me feel at ease. They asked me a few questions about myself and where I was from. Overall, my first day at the new school was a mixed experience. I was excited to explore my new surroundings and meet new people, but at the same time, I felt a bit anxious and out of place. However, as the day progressed, I began to feel more comfortable and confident. I realized that I had nothing to worry about, and that making new friends would take time.